The character arrays are special types of arrays. A character array is used to represent a string. A string is basically a sequence of characters. The messages in codes that we output using cout are called as string literals. In C++, a string is a sequence of characters terminated by a special character called as null character. The null character is denoted by \0. When we declare a character array and assign a string to it, the null character is automatically added at the end. So we should ensure that array size is at least one more than the string length. In a character array, each element of the array will hold one character. So to input a string from user, we can input it character by character for each element of the array using cin. There is another, more convenient way to input a character string. We can use cin.getLine. GetLine is a function provided by C++ to input a string. We will study about functions in intermediate course. To use the getLine function, we write cin.getLine bracket character array name, comma, maximum length of the string to input and bracket close. When the program is executed, the user can enter all the characters at once and press enter at the end. Individual characters are assigned to each element of the array, and when enter is pressed, a null character is appended at the end. To output the string, you can use cout just like you use it with other variables. In the code pane, you can see an example. Here, we ask the user to enter his or her name, then use the cin.getLine function to input the string and then cout to output the content of the string. To provide a string as input to the program, we use the input box just like we use it for other variables. The getLine function that we are using reads a line of input which can contain spaces as well. So whatever is written in the input box will be read as a string. If you have seen statements after the getLine function to input other variables in the program, you can provide the input in a new line in the input box. Just press enter to begin a new line and type the values. You can see a program in the code pane which takes a string and integer as input. Provide a string and an integer in separate lines in the input box and check the output of the program.